This baadhi njo kwa wakamba wenzangu. These are hizi tatu hivi 400, then I decided to do two ndio tukule kidheri. Let's prepare this kidheri together. Hey, the kidheri is becoming my favorite. I really hated it, but let's make it. So ndo hizo, I have these three basins here. Moja ni ya kuweka kama zidondolewa, moja ni ya uchafu, na nyingine ni ya zenye zishadondolewa. So this is for that. Alafu tunaziweka hapa. So let me start with this batch tuone kama zitatoka aje. Oh, it looks so good by the way. So welcome to yet another episode. My good name is Dara Kambua. In this channel we do amazing cooking recipes to the simplest ingredients that you can find at your doorstep. So if you're new here, karibu sana for joining this amazing channel. Please make sure you give us a subscribe before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting my work, my content and everything. Please Habu comment on the comment section of me. Do you know what this is? Have you ever tried this? And if you've tried, how is it? Is it tasty? Because for me, this has to be my favorite. Season ya mbaazi. Hey. I'm always happy because I just love them, especially when they are very fresh. They are very sweet. So let me get done with this one. Let me put this one here because the African in me just wants to do that. So I think I'll catch up later. Juu hatuwezi dondoa zote mara moja. Hama, by the way, I was thinking of doing I don't know, story time when cooking ama when preparing ingredients to cook. How do you find that idea? Instead of just being serious and cooking, just add this, remove this, start, do this. We'll be doing stories in between. Not really stories related to food, but just general stories, because why not? That was my idea, and I think I'll try on my next video. Can you see me? It's because I was trying to focus on this, but now I hope now you can see me. Don't mind if you see my previous video because I have not changed. I'm shooting them 30 minutes apart, so life of a content creator. I could have just gone and changed so that you can see it's a different day, but why? I don't fake life. Here we do the most authentic things. By the way, I don't know, nowadays we talk too much until I forget what I was saying. Growing up, this was everything. I think in the next few days maybe I'll be taking you to my own village. I'm hoping they're ready by now so that I can show you the process of taking them from the farm until, in short, from the farm to your plate. If you want, please ni DM. Okay, let me get done with this, then we proceed, because Githeri is now becoming my favorite because it's season for, is it pigeon peas? What type of peas is this? I think it's pigeon peas. Ama mbaazi. If you don't understand mbaazi, I'm hoping it's pigeon peas. If it's not, I'll when editing, I'll insert the correct name. So let me get that. Actually, the problem with this, they are very sweet, but taking them out of the shells, are these shells? Komaganda is a whole hassle, but when you have to eat, just in most cases mimi na dodoanga, then I'll start a video from there. But today I decided we are starting from the start because I think nowadays I'm more how do you call it? I think I like doing vlogs more. It's only that I hardly do them, but I really enjoy doing vlogs, interacting with you people, because si kila siku na post 10 videos hata mjaona sura ya mwenye na post jamani. Hey! Anyway, leave a comment section and tell me, how do you call this in your country? Or I realized, by the way, most people that watch me are out of Kenya. Wakenya, mbona mnaniangusha? Yeah, so I want you to let me know, how do you call this in your language? How do you call mbaazi in your language or in your country? You can also specify what language is that and maybe from what part of the country. Okay, see you after I am done with this. Tukimaliza hizi, I don't have mahindi, but I'm going to get them in a few. 2 hours later, shamaliza na mbaazi and maize tatu. So let's wash na tupike. So here's my pot. So nizioshe hapo. So next nituoshe mahindi, tunaziweka zote at the same time. Just like that. It's already washed. Time to mix them together. And wow. So I'm going to mix them. Alafu niziache zichemke for an hour or so. So we'll come back to check later. Yes, baby, Githeri yetu imeiva. And as you can see, it's doing so well. So it's time to kaanga. One thing about Githeri mbaazi, you don't need a lot. Personally, I'm using only this. So let's make it. Let's try and make this kitunguu. Me, by the way, I don't like spending. If you've noticed in my channel, we hardly do spices here. We love the natural flavors. So, but with this one, this is special. Siwezi jaribu kuharibu, like putting anything like nyanya ni kuharibu bwana. So I'm going to be using, I think, two will be okay. Oops. I think this one is okay. Then you're going to do away with hizi zenye zinakaa kuharibika huku hivi. I don't love these. Look at the ends. This will be fine, so let me return this. Then clean up here. This is fine, so we'll clean up after we're done. Okay. I'm done washing them. It's time now we slice to the cutter. Aki kama unapewa mbaazi ni tamu. Mi bora tu mimi napenda zikiwa very as natural as possible. Actually hata zikiwa hivyo tu vile zimeiva, alafu sasa uweke avocado only. Hey my friend. I hardly use this, but someone recommended hii kitunguu ati ndio tamu for this type of food, so that's what I'm trying and see. But I'm used to the, is it red or is it purple onion? Masani ya kupika sasa. Nimetransfer Githeri ikaenda hiyo side. So tuanze na mafuta. We let it heat, alafu mafuta imekuwa moto, so it's time That's a bit messy. Let's cook it. Let me see. Our onion is ready, starting to be burned, so that's fine. Nilikuwa nimechota sana, so tuweke then cover. Halafu add some more. Cooking on the other side, so oops. Let's give it at least a minute to absorb the flavors. It has enough salt, so I'm not going to add any. 3 minutes later, Githeri iko sawa sasa. And my friend, let me tell you, tamu iko hapa. I wish unaweza onja. Me personally, I love it. Very natural. If you love ikiwa na spices, it's up to you add. Kama unataka nyanya, it's up to you add. But mbaazi, as natural as possible. Now let's serve. Oh, ndio hiyo Githeri yangu, but what is Githeri without avocado? I'm hoping this will not disappoint me. What is Githeri without avocado? Let's see. Moment of truth. I am very good when it comes to kuchagua avocado. Eish. Now this thing will flap, man. Will flap. If you've watched up to this point, give me a subscription because I am sure you are enjoying this new series of just us being as authentic as possible. So najua umependa kama umewatch up to this point. Give me a subscription, then we meet on the next video. But before you leave, don't forget to leave a comment on what is your thought about our videos lately. What's your thought about this amazing food that we've made today? Have you ever tasted it? If yes, let me know. If no, please make sure you do. They are on season right now. Bye bye.